Hello my friends, today I'm going to show you a funny video. That's my dog right there. She's skittish of everything. And I'm going to record a video of how skittish she really is against a Coca-Cola bottle. So, my dog versus a Coca-Cola bottle. Where did she go? There's my dog. She acts like there's a monster under her bed. By the way, this is empty, don't worry. It's empty. And that's gonna be it for this video. My phone's about to die, so yeah. So I'm just gonna say a few things before my phone dies. You know how it be. And yes, I have been recording with my phone. I'm surprised. Don't even have close enough to afford like a GoPro or anything. So yeah. It's okay. I'm not gonna scare you. There's nothing in my hands that'll scare you. That's my other dog, Stella girl. She's not skittish, but still skittish. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Just wanna